Hello, this one was our single channel traffic detectors. This one was the 15 meters loop detection coil. This one was LCR, digital electric bridge, and used for testing the inductance value of the loop detector coil. The nominal value was 20 to 2000 UH. First, you need to connect with the loop detection coil with a measuring clamp. With the negative and the positive. After connection wire, please turn on the switch. And you can see LCD displayed with 1.9 mH. 1.9 mH is equal to 1900 UH was our nominal value. This button was the data hold, and you can see top. This button in a useful foldable screen is really convenient. And you can see the outlook with the reader protective cover, and it can protect the machine. Then please turn off the laser switch, and our engineer will show you the loop detection coil connection with the single channel. And first, you need connection with the loop detection coil with the 7 and 8 foot of the base of loop detection. And insert the single channel loop detectors and turn on the switch. When the car passes on, the light will change to green. And adapt the dial and press the reset buttons. Okay, that's all.